Hi, so I just wanted to talk through the very small changes which are a result of switching from Elfa's classic range to the matte grey Garage Plus product range. We have three medium depth baskets. Previously I was showing a deeper one here. That is not available in the Garage Plus. These baskets are deeper and stronger than the classic product, so what you sort of gain on the swings you lose on the roundabouts, or the other way around. All of these shelves are now 500mm deep. They were previously 400mm deep, and I've attempted to, just going to drag my own software into that view now. I've slightly modified the old model to show the implications of that. So I've now switched these to 500 deep, and I've brought these baskets out slightly further. One of the nice things about making that change is that you end up with the shoulders of these clothes and the hang of these clothes all sort of contained within that 500mm depth. It's just a slightly sharper presentation in my opinion. The only thing that I was concerned about, I wanted to check, I now have checked, is this gap changes between this corner and this face. That protrudes by 55mm. So what is that gap there? It's around 750mm. That is more than enough for an unencumbered entry point, in my opinion. I'm very happy with these changes, and I think we end up with a great result. Okay, speak soon. Bye bye.